Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB or Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python artificial intelligence, and I hope you understand that all the stuff which we have done yet. So today we will be just covering up the project of Python in artificial intelligence because our previous videos on DSA was, and I hope you understand that DSA video. But today we are working with Python here, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build this amazing pharmacy management system, and we will be building it using artificial intelligence in Python. And I hope you'll be understanding this video of pharmacy management system. If you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, a notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just build these amazing projects. Share this video as well, so more people can see these videos and they can learn things from this video and they can build their own management systems. I've also built many of the management system on my previous videos, so you can just check that out because that will giving you help. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this pharmacy management system using Python in artificial intelligence from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just working with Python, and today I will be now telling you that how we can just use Python artificial intelligence to build an amazing pharmacy management system. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we are building this pharmacy management system. So for building this, I will be moving to my file and then I'll be pressing open folder. My folder is on desktop. You can see this is the simple pharmacy management system folder which I have just opened. After opening this folder, you have to just move in this folder, and these are the files which we are getting in my folder here. So we have to work with these all files. So I will be now just doing one thing. I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel, and now from here we'll be starting our codes of uh, Python in artificial intelligence. So for working, I will be now writing here a tag which should be like from Tkinter, because we are building this project here from Tkinter of pharmacy management system. Then I will be now importing this tag here. Here you have to again write from Tkinter. Then I will be now importing here message box. After importing this, just you have to now write here import OS like this, and here I will be now writing f is equals to open. Then I will be now writing here database underscore project like this. Then you have to write here comma, and I will be now writing a plus like this. Now you have to just write here root is equals to tk. Then you have to close this bracket. Then I will be now writing here root title. After writing root title, you have to write here simple pharmacy. Then I will be now writing here management system. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, just you have to now move down after this tag, and here I will be writing root.configure. And here you have to just now write here width is equals to 1500, height is equals to 600, bg is equals to black. Then I will be now just moving here after this tag, and here I will be writing var -1 like this, and write here def item. And here you have to now just write global var, and global var, here I will be writing num lines. So I will be writing underscore lines is equals to 0. Right here with open, and in with open tag I will be now writing here database. Database should be underscore project. Then I will be now writing here r tag. Here you have to write s5, and here I will be now writing f10 like this. Then you have to now just close this tag here. Then I will be moving down right here for line in. Then you have to write here f10. Then you have to just write here num lines like this, and here you have to write plus is equals to 1. Then you have to just move down after this tag, right here var num lines. So here I will be now writing -1. Then you have to now just write here e1 is equals to entry 1. Then here you have to write get. Make this tag here. After writing this tag, you have to write here e2 entry 2. Then I will be now writing here get tag and make this. Right here e3 is equals to entry 3. Then I will be writing here dot get and make this tag. After just writing this thing here, you have to now just not give a space from here, just only give a space from here directly. Now when you just return this here, you have to write e4 is equals to entry dot get. Make this tag right here e5 dot entry. So here I will be writing is equals to entry dot get and make this tag here. Then you have to now just write here a tag which will be like f dot write. Then I will be now just writing here this tag, and you have to write here 0. Then you have to now just write here 1 and write here 2. Then write here 3 and 4. And after writing, you have to write this \n. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, you have to write here dot format, and here I will be now writing str. And then you have to now just write here e1. Then you have to write here comma e2 comma e3. Then I will be writing comma str, write here e4, and then write here e5. Then you have to now just move down entry 1 and then write here delete. And then you have to now write here 0 and Then I will be now writing here entry 2 dot delete, and then you have to now write here 0 and like this. Then you have to now write here entry 3 dot delete. So here I will be now writing here and write here 0 and then you have to now just do one thing. I will be now writing here entry 4 dot delete and write here 0 and like this. Then here you have to write entry 5 dot delete this time, and then I will be writing 0 and then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be writing def delete item. Then I will be now making this tag here. Right here e1 is equals to entry 1. Then I will be now writing here dot get and make this bracket here, and then write here with open tag, and then I will be now writing here our database, or you can say here I will be now writing here our database, and then you have to write here underscore project. So here I will be now writing this, then write here as f comma open, then here I will be writing our database, then I will be now writing here project like this, and then write here one, and then you have to now just write here as working. Then you have to now write here for line in f, then I will be moving down, and then you have to write here if str, write here e1 like this, then you have to now write here not in line, then you have to move down, and after moving down you have to write here working dot write, then you have to just now make this tag and write here line tag, and here you have to just now do one thing. You have to write os dot remove, then I will be writing here r and write here database, and here you have to now just write underscore project. Here you have to just move down, write here os rename, and then you have to make this tag here, write here our database, then I will be now writing here a tag which will be like underscore project, and then you have to write here one r, then I will be writing here database like this, and then I will be writing underscore project. Here you have to now write here f dot close, then you have to close this tag, write here working dot close, make this bracket, write here entry 1 dot delete, then I will be now writing here 0 and then I will be now writing here entry 2 dot delete, and I will be writing here 0 and then you have to write here entry 3 dot delete, and then I will be now writing here 0 and here you have to write entry 4 dot delete. So here I will be writing this and write here 0 and then you have to now write here entry 5 dot delete. So here I will be writing 0 and then you have to now just write here def first item, where I will be making this tag and write here global var, then here you have to write var is equals to 0 fc, then I will be writing here var, then you have to now write here c is equals to f read lines, then I will be now writing here this tag, write v list, then I will be now writing here c dot split, and then you have to make this tag here and write this space here. Now from writing this here I will be writing entry 1 dot delete, make this tag here, and then I will be writing 0 and then you have to write here entry 2 dot delete, and here I will be writing 0 and now when you've written this here I will be writing entry 3 dot delete, and here I will be writing 0 and then you have to write here entry 4 dot delete, and here I will be writing 0 and then here I will be now writing entry 5 dot delete, here I will be writing 0 and here you have to now write entry 1 dot insert, and here you have to now just write here 0 str, then I will be now writing here v and then write 0, write here entry 2 and write here insert, then after writing insert you have to write 0 str, then write here v1, and here I will be now writing entry 3 dot insert, and here I will be now writing str, and then here I will be writing v and 3. Okay, so here I will be moving and then I will be now writing here 2. Here you have to now just move in this tag, write here entry 4, write here insert tag, and then I will be now making this thing and write here 0 strv, then I will be now just writing this tag and write here v3, then write here entry 5 dot insert, then I will be writing here 0 str v, then I will be writing here 4. Now when you've written this, here you have to now move down, write here def next item like this, then you have to move down after this, write here global var, then after writing this global var, here you have to now write here var is equals to var, then write here +1 f dot seek, then I will be now writing here var, write here try tag, and in try I will be writing C is equals to F read lines. Then I will be moving down right here XYZ is equals to CVAR. Then you have to write here V is equals to list. Then you have to now write here XYZ, and then I will be writing dot split and make this tag by giving a space. Write here entry 1 dot delete, and here you have to now write 0 and now after writing this, here you have to now write here entry 2 dot delete and write here 0 and then you have to now write here entry 3 dot delete and write here 0 and then you have to now write here entry 4 dot delete like this and write here 0 and then you have to now move down right here entry 5 dot delete, write here 0 and then you have to now just write here entry and then write here entry 1 dot insert and then you have to now just write here 0 strv, then I will be writing here 0, then write here entry 2 dot insert, so here I will be now writing here, then I will be now writing 0 str and then write here v10 and here you have to write 1, then you have to now write here entry 3 dot insert, then I will be now writing 0 str, then I will be writing v2, then you have to just move down right here entry 4, then I will be writing here insert and after writing this you have to write here str, make this v tag and then I will be writing 3 here, write here entry 5 dot insert, then I will be writing 0 str, then here you have to make this tag v and then I will be writing 4. After writing this you have to now write here accept like this, write here message box like this thing, write here dot show info, so here I will be now writing dot show info, then I will be making this tag, write here title comma, then I will be now writing here story like this and then 3 dots, here I will be writing no more records like this, then you have to now just write here a tag which will be like def previous item, then I will be making this tag here, move down right here global var, so here I will be writing right here var1 or you can say -1 value, here I will be writing, then right here f seek var value and after writing this here you have to write try value and right here z is equals to f dot read lines, then you have to now move down right here xyz is equals to value, then I will be now writing here z var, then you have to move down right here v is equals to list and then you have to write here xyz, then you have to write split and make this tag here by giving a space. Now you have to write here entry 1 dot delete, so here I will be now writing this and here you have to write 0 and like this thing, then you have to write here entry 2 dot delete and then you have to write here 0 and like this. After writing this tag here you have to now just do one thing, here I will be now moving at the top, you can see we have just written these all things and then here I will be now moving at the top like this, so you have to just directly save from here and then give a space directly from here because we will be not needing these all stuff. After saving this thing just you have to run it, so for running I will be moving to my folder was on desktop and here was my folder like I was just showing you, then I will be now running this folder, I will be opening it with this python 3.1.0 function, so just you can open it here. After when you will be opening this file, so you will be getting a running file here, so you have to just press the running file here and then you have to directly open this file. So when you will be now opening this file, so you will be getting, you can see we are not getting still because we are not using the command prompt here, so I will be directly writing here cd command prompt, then I will be writing here downloads, then I will be now moving in the cd again and after writing the cd here you can see this is our folder, so I will be now copying the renaming here and then you have to paste, then you have to make the cd again because in folder we are again getting the folder here, so here I will be now again pasting, then you have to write here cd. After moving to this folder you have to give another folder rename and then here you have to paste it, then here if I move, so you can see now there is not any folder, so I will be now writing here project .py. Press, you can see now your pharmacy management system has been opened. Now it will be asking you to enter your name, I will be entering my name, then enter the price, here I will be now item name, you can see, so you can put any of the item name like medicine, I will be putting the item name like this, then I will be writing the item price 200, item quantity 2 and category should be medicine like this, then discount you can put here, I will be writing 5% discount, Then you can press add item. After pressing this add item, your item has been added. Now if you want to search item, you can move to the search item. You can see these are the item name which you are getting: view first item, view previous item which you are getting, update item you can also do, and if you want to delete this item, you can delete it as well. So this is the thing which I want to show you here, clear scheme. So all the things will be clear from here. So like this we can just build this amazing project. I hope you understand how we have just built this amazing pharmacy management system using amazing Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you understand this project. If you have understand of this project of Python pharmacy management system, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using Python and many other languages. So for today, goodbye.